Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag July Christmas 2023, which is hosted by Gail Banks, and she will be posting every Monday in July. So make sure you try and join in to get some of your Christmas crafting out of the way. And so I thought I would start with this beautiful card here, and let me show you the items I used to create it, which is Jingle Word Frame that I picked up from Spellbinders, one of their sales. And then I am also using Christmas Blooms, as well as Gina Marie Designs, this stitched background square die, or wonky stitched. And then this square die set there from We Are Memory Keeper, nesting square dies there. And so let me show you this card. It turned out so pretty. Love it. See all that that mirrored cardstock there? It's beautiful. I added some little bells in the center, and I love the poinsettia dies. It's so detailed. Love that. I did not finish off the inside of the card, but I will. And love that wonky stitching die. And then this is where I use those We Are Memory Keepers background dies. I love that thin layer that it gives. And I also use the We Are Memory Keeper circle one too. I forgot to get that out. But I love how it paired up with that Spellbinders die. And then I added the jingle all the way in the center. That's all I have for you. Make sure you join in with Gail's challenge and use that hashtag July Christmas 2023. All right, that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.